Everybody says their child is the best, don't they?
Yeah.
But anyway, Modoni was 14 months and 1 day when she passed away. The death was a result of an accident at home with a nanny. So you're at work and you get a call that just says, come home, something is wrong. You just get in, and I asked for Modoni and I took her and we went to the car. Then I realized, of course, I can't drive and carry her. So, the nanny had to then hold her. And I'm trying to make a decision about which hospital we need to go at because I still don't know the extent of the problem. And we go to somewhere really close. And I just park in the parking lot, and they can see there's a problem. You know the way that security tries to flag you down, but they can see there's a problem because hazards and all, and I was just hooting. And we go up, and I just say, something is wrong. So, of course, they let you sit while they go and do stuff. So, of course, someone comes and tells you, Mom, just calm down, have some tea or whatever it is. Then I don't know how long it was when they came back and said she's gone.
Immediately after high school, I started nursing my mother who was sick for quite a while. And immediately after about 1 year, just before I joined campus, she passed on. She passed on in March, and the same year in September, I was joining university. The day I got the death certificate, I was so happy that I have a milestone. Only to realize I'm walking in this town. I was in Kapsabet Boys. So walking in this town, Kapsabet, and I meet one of my teachers, and she asked me, what are you doing here? I'm like, okay, Mom passed on. I came to process the death certificate because I need to apply for a loan. Okay. And I quickly just gave her the death certificate, like, I'm happy I've received it. It dawned on me. I didn't read the death certificate. I just took it. She's the one who read it from me. And it indicated that my mother died of HIV. So that hit me because she's the one who's telling me she was HIV positive. And I was embarrassed because I didn't read it.
It's not so much being there to tell them what to do, but them telling you how they would want to be supported through that process. Again, during that time, there's shock. Most people are in denial. And as she's saying, you're so confused at some point you don't even know. Your mind is not able to actually comprehend the loss at that point in time. So I feel at that point in time, it's just best to support the person in terms of, can I get you something to eat? Can I get you something warm? Just the basic needs that the person requires at that point in time, and not so much conversation and trying to fix them.